This is Parkvale engine shed. Inside is a 262 Prairie tank. It's in need of some welding. So the welder has just arrived and is about to start his work on it. And here he is. This simple effect is a result of connecting a tealight and a very bright white LED in series. The result is a flickering light. The tealight causes the flickering, and the bright white is obviously the white LED. This whole effect is made up of a redundant bright white light from a Kindle reader which failed due to its switch action. The tealight are 3 for £1 from a poundshop. The whole thing in effect has cost me maybe 50p. The effect is quite good. Enjoy.